Hi everyone, suppose a coin is bent so that the probability of it coming up heads on any toss is 2/5. If the coin is tossed 3 times, find the probability of getting 3 heads, 2 heads, 1 head, and 0 heads. So before we get started, remember if the probability of a heads equals 2/5, then the probability of a tails is going to be equal to 3/5 because these have to add up to 1. So that's the we're going to use the binomial experiment. There's exactly 2 outcomes, fixed number of trials. We're tossing it 3 times. The trials are independent. You either get a heads or a tails. And the probability is the same for each trial. So those are our probabilities for each trial. So for A and B, we're going to use this information here to help us out. So all you do is you take for 3 heads, and we're tossing it 3 times. So that's going to be C, 3, choose 0 or 3, we're choosing 3, and that's going to give you 2/5 to the third. It would be 3/5 to the 0. Now this just equals 1, and what we're really doing is we're using this line here, because this line here matches up to this line here, and I should have put a 0 here. You notice here that these numbers match up and these numbers match up. So that should match up. So when you simplify that, you're going to get 8 divided by 125. I'm writing things down wrong. So 125. Now for B, that's 2 heads. So basically we're doing 2 heads. So that would be 2/5 to the second power. That means the other one has to be a tail. So you're doing 3, choose 1. Now this equals 3. So this is going to equal 3 times 4 divided by 25 times 3/5. This equals 36 divided by 125. All right, get the idea. So next one is 1 head. So that would be 3, choose 2, and you're doing 2/5. You want 1 head, and then this number here is going to be 3/5 squared. Again, excuse me, these 2 numbers should match up, and these 2 numbers here should add up to the 3. Now that's going to give you the 3 here. So that's going to be 3 times 2/5 times 9 over 25. That gives you 54 divided by 125. All right, now the last one is 0 heads. So basically that's just going to be 0 heads would be 2/5 to the 0 power and 3/5 to the third power. So what we're doing is we're choosing this one. 3, choose 3. These 3's matches, and these 2 numbers add up to 3, the total. So this just equals 1, and you can see that here. So, and anything to the 0 power is 1. So when you multiply this out, you're going to get 3/5 cubed, which equals 27 divided by 125. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.